In this lecture, we will be working with the room services. As you can see, in the previous lecture we created our hotel room. But let's create our room services. For example, welcome drink, beach, bike and satellite TV are the room services which are provided with the demo. Let's create our own service. So let's go to dashboard and click on the services. Here you will see all the services we already have. If you don't want them, you can simply tick all and remove it, or simply remove one by one by clicking on the trash button. Let's create our own service. For example, let's create a service like free meal. Let's make a free meal service. So let's type the service name, free meal. Now let's add some description like get free meal with when you book hotel with more than 2, okay, with 1 person. Okay, so this is a new service that we have created which will be working when you book with only 1 person. Okay, so let's make it bolder, let's make it big. Okay, so let's change the service type from normal to additional, or let's make it simply normal. Let's add an icon. So you can see these are all the icons. Let's add an icon. You will need to download an icon, but let's use this one. Awesome, we already have some other icons, so you can use them also. So add the icon. Let's change the color from blue. Okay, text preview, and additional services like price, but this is a free meal, so we won't add any price, it will be a 0. Let's make it person or room. It will be a person and a day. Okay, so let's add some featured image also. Featured images are better when it's an additional service, but let's use it. Okay, so let's publish it and see if the service have been added or not. So you can see the free meal has been added. Let's try to edit our hotel room and add the service. We only have 5, let's add the 6th one. Go to services and add free meal. Okay, let's update it and refresh the page. As you can see, the free meal has been added here. And let's try to, okay, it's done. Let's update it, and you can see our check-in checkout has been added. It was not available because the page was having the full width, so we just changed it. So if you are facing the same issue, go to page layouts from page settings and change the full width to a right sidebar. So you will again see this. Let's try to book now. I think it should be a free service. Wait, okay, that's it. Thank you.